The Science of Getting Rich Remixed. Chapter 2, The Certain Way. Chapter 1 established that abundance is your birthright. Now comes the how. The method, the mechanics, the exact steps. There is a science to getting rich, not vibes, not luck, not astrology. Science, like math. Follow the formula, get the results. Wallace D. Wattles called it the certain way. And here's what that means. Wealth follows laws as precise as gravity. You don't have to believe in gravity for it to work. Drop your phone, it shatters. Ignore the wealth laws, your bank account stays empty. But align with them, inevitable increase. The certain way is this: holding a clear vision of what you want and pressing that vision on source with gratitude and taking action that creates value for others. That's it. No harder work, no better connection, not luck, vision and gratitude and value creation equals wealth. The law is absolute. Look around. Same cities, same industries, same families. Some people are stacking wealth. Others are still screaming about how capitalism is broken, while Venmo requesting $12 for brunch. The difference isn't environment, it's method, the certain way. Talent won't save you. Luck won't save you. Hard work won't save you. The difference is whether you're aligned with Spirit's system or not. Divine intelligence doesn't play favorites. It doesn't care if you're Ivy League or I dropped out to sell crystals on Etsy. If you follow the law, you prosper. If you don't, you don't. End of story. And don't mistake this manifestation light. Spirit isn't your personal sugar daddy. You can't chant affirmations all day, light sage until your smoke alarms cry, and still be broke if you're out of alignment. The certain way means walking onto the truth that abundance is default setting of the universe. Black, man-made nonsense. The banks may push it. Instagram influencers may profit off it. But in Source's system, it doesn't exist. And here's where faith enters the picture. Faith is alignment in action. Faith isn't blind hope. It's the confidence that when you step in rhythm with Spirit's law, increase follows as naturally as breath. So how do you align? Here's what Wallace D. Wattles refrains you need to tattoo on your spirit. Always give more use value than cash value. What does that mean? Simple. If someone pays you $20 for a service, make sure they walk away feeling like they got $50 worth of benefits. The book you're holding cost you maybe $25, but if one idea in it multiplies your income by $10,000, you receive far more use value than cash value you paid. That gap, the generosity built into every transaction, is what magnetizes wealth. That's the heartbeat of the certain way. Here's where people get confused. They think saving makes you rich. It doesn't. Some of the most frugal people die broke. Why? Because operating from scarcity, not strategy. They pinch pennies while missing $1 million opportunities. You cannot receive with closed hands. The universe can't pour into a fist clenched in fear. Meanwhile, people who circulate generously create value abundantly and trust that flows. They build wealth that looks effortless. It's not thrift that multiplies money, it's alignment with increase. So what does a certain way look like in action? It's value creation. That doesn't mean work harder or sell your soul. It means adding more life, making things easier, faster, better, more beautiful, or more useful. The restaurateur who makes dining an experience instead of just calories, certain way. The coder who writes an AI tool that saves people hours of their life, certain way. The neighbor who invents a service that solves a problem everyone else ignored, certain way. Modern proof. Graphic design was once a gate-kept industry. Expensive software, steep learning curves, professionals who spoke in layers and pixels. Then came Canva. Milena Perkins didn't just build another design tool, she demonstrated design. She made it simple enough for a student, powerful enough for a Fortune 500, and free enough for anyone to start. Here's a certain way in action. Canva's free version gives users far more use value than the $0 cash value they pay. Even the paid version delivers design capabilities worth thousands for $12 a month. Perkins didn't compete with Adobe. She created a whole new playing field by outvaluing everyone. Results? A company valued at billions, used by millions, because she made everyone who touched it richer. That's not charity, that's the law. And Canva isn't alone. Take Roblox. What started as a quirky gaming platform became a creative empire where kids design, build, and monetize their own worlds. It turned playing games into entrepreneurship, giving millions of young creators tools to earn while they play. The certain way here, Roblox gives kids free access to game creation tools that would have cost thousands in traditional game development. Young creators learn coding, design, and business, skills worth tens of thousands in education value, while playing. Some earn real money. The platform takes a cut, yes, but only after delivering massive use value first. That's Wattles' law in action. More use value than cash value. Wisdom across traditions. Every path affirms this law in its own language. The Bible promises, "Give and it shall be given to you." The Bhagavad Gita teaches that action aligned with Dharma brings prosperity. The Quran reminds us, whoever does good, it is for their own soul. Taoism whispers that flow with the way brings harmony, not struggle. Across centuries and cultures, the principles resounds. Increase is divine order, and giving more use value than cash value is how you stay aligned with it. This is how the law flows. You create value, you circulate value, and wealth finds you. Here's the truth. Wealth isn't a hustle, it's a law. If you're broke right now, it's not because you're cursed or unlucky. It's because you haven't been taught how the law works. But now that you know, create value, circulate generously, trust the return. Align with that, and wealth becomes inevitable. How does this translate to your life? You don't need to build the next Canva. You just need to ask yourself every day, am I giving more value than I'm taking? Are you the coworker who gives slightly beyond the job description? The freelancer who throws in an extra deliverable? The business owner who under promises and over delivers? Every time you create the gap where what you give exceeds what you receive, you activate the law, and the law keeps score. What to do next? Audit one transaction. Pick one thing you bought this week. Did you receive more use value than cash value? If yes, write a gratitude note, even mentally, to whoever created it. If no, notice how that feels and commit to only buying things that deliver excess value going forward. Create a value gap today. In one interaction, at work, at home, with a stranger, give slightly more than expected. Not in a doormat way, but in a this is how I operate way. Over deliver by 10%. Watch what happens. Spot the certain way in the wild. Notice one business, person, or project that's thriving. Ask yourself, are they giving more use value than cash value? Train your eye to see the law operating everywhere. Spark query. Why is it that every time I give more value than I take, wealth multiplies back to me in unexpected ways? So hopefully you found some value in the Science of Getting Rich Remixed. Keep an eye out for some more Science of Getting Rich related content, and also some business and entrepreneurial related content in the near future. Thanks, and have a good day.